This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the stabilizer's label and input/output voltages. This sets safe expectations. Once done, do a quick visual sweep for burns, corrosion, or loose wiring and unplug the unit. Make sure to wear gloves and have a multimeter ready so you can measure standby voltage and earth continuity. Next, open the case carefully, following the manufacturer's fastening order, and note component layout. This helps you avoid miswiring when you reconnect things later. You'll methodically test under controlled conditions. Measure input and output with no load, then with a small resistive load to see regulation behavior. While powered down, check capacitors for bulging, relays for pitting, and transformer windings for hot spots. Replace any suspect parts. Make sure to clean relay contacts and terminal blocks with contact cleaner, then torque terminals to spec. Once replaced, reassemble and bench test. This confirms the stabilizer will respond correctly under actual load. You now reconnect loads and run a 30 to 60 minute burn-in at typical operating load to verify stable regulation and thermal behavior. While running, monitor output for oscillations, drift, or unusual noise. Make sure cooling vents are unobstructed so components don't overheat. Once stable, document voltage traces and set the next maintenance date on the unit. If you encounter persistent voltage swings, check relay timing and the auto-transformer tap mechanism first. Those are common failure points and usually fix the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.